Hi, Year 3. First of all, Happy New Year. This has been the strangest start to a New Year school term that I've ever had. And we just want to say that we're so proud of all of you. You've shown so much resilience over the past few weeks. You've not been in school for the couple of weeks before Christmas, and you're still not back at school. And we're really proud of those of you that have completed some home learning already and have emailed your work and have been in touch and are really aiming high at the start of the year. So we are going to be giving out lots and lots of house points for all of the home learning that we've received. If you haven't sent any work in yet, we would like you to. We really want to hear from you. We've only heard from a few people from each class, and there is a requirement that while you're home learning, you are learning. You have to send your work to us, and if not, we're going to have to start giving out consequences, which we really don't want to do. So please, can you make sure that you complete your work every day and you get a grown up in your family to take a photo of it? It can be everything you've done or just a snippet of what you've done, but we need to know that you're working hard at home, and we need you to email that work to us. And you can't miss the web email address. It's on all of the slides that we make. It's on the home learning page, and it's on the app as well. So please email your work to us. We'll be in touch if you don't, and we might have to come round to your house and check that everything's okay. So we'd really want to hear from all of you. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly run through the work for Wednesday, and we're excited to welcome a few children back into school on Wednesday, but obviously not everyone. So everyone is going to be doing the same work, whether you're in school or at home. There are 4 lessons for Wednesday. The English, we've had a little bit of a change of heart. You did your cold task yesterday, and that's not wasted. We're definitely going to use your review cold tasks, but we are going to start another little unit that's a little bit easier to teach from home. So the English today is the start of a unit with a text called The Truth About Trolls. And today's lesson is really understanding the text, and we want you to write some facts. And there's also a little challenge at the end. If you could read some of the text and maybe do some troll-like actions and send us a little video of that, then there'll be some bonus house points for any videos and photographs that we receive. You've got maths, and you are really grasping the 3 times table. We can see that some of you are really fluent and confident with 3s, and today you're moving on to 4s. There's 3 challenges for you today. In reading, you're continuing the text that you've already started, and you're answering some questions about plastic pollution, and you've got to answer questions 4 to 6 today. And then if you write that in your workbook, we'd like you to send that to us so we know how you've got on with your comprehension. And then there's another lesson. It's a project lesson. Now, we would have done this lesson on Monday afternoon. It's a kind of hook that grabs you into the lesson. And it's really exciting because we found these letters in our classrooms, and they've got a really strange type of writing on them. And we had a look at them, Mr. Hoyle, Mrs. Brady, Mr. Rogers and I, and we decided that they looked like runic characters. Now, runic is an alphabet that was used many, many years ago. And we've given you a copy of the runic alphabet in your pack. We would like you to translate the letter and try and decipher what the message says. And then you can have a little bit of fun with that lesson. Once you've translated it, you can also have a go at writing messages for other people in your household and get them to see if they can use the alphabet to work out what you have written. So a really nice project lesson to launch the project. And in that project lesson, you're going to look at your springboard and your word mats, and you're going to stick those in your project book just like you would do at school. So you've had loads of experience of doing those 2 things. And we'd like you to put them in your project books ready for the first project lesson later this week, where you're going to come across some new vocabulary. You'll be able to highlight that on your word mat and maybe even write a definition on there like we do at school. Anyway, I would love you to get on with your home learning for today and email it to us. Now, when we get the emails, they come to all of the Year 3 teachers, so we would find it really, really useful if your grown-ups put your name and your class in the subject box when they send us an email, so we know straight away which class the email's for and the right teacher can send the response to you. And we're also aware that some of the emails come at all sorts of different times, depending on whether your parents are working or whether they're able to email us at certain times. We're going to be checking emails during the school day and up until about 5 o'clock, which is when our working day finishes. And then in the evening, we've got lots of other preparing and marking to do. So we won't be checking emails late at night, but we will respond to you the following day or in the next couple of days if your emails come through late at night. I think that's everything. I've talked for quite a long time. I am so excited about seeing a few of you tomorrow, and I'm so excited about receiving work from the rest of you. And of course, send us photos or messages if there's anything else that's going on, if it's your birthday or if you've done something nice like some baking. Let us know what you've been up to. We can't wait to hopefully see you very soon. Take care of yourselves, stay safe and keep aiming high. Love to hear from you soon. Bye for now.